What's up, guys? Welcome back to week 2 discussion, ITL512. Today we're going to be talking about our anchor chart. So as you can see here, my anchor chart, right? It's how to add and subtract mixed number fractions. So step 1, common multiple, find the common multiple. Step 2, find the big one, right? So you got to find common multiple, you got to find the numerator. Set up Step 3, plus and minus the numerators, whole numbers. Step 4, put into simplest form. As you can see right there at the bottom, it shows how we go from step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. So, with that being said, I thought this is a pretty cool anchor chart, not ankle chart, that I came up with based off of the stuff that we're doing in my classroom right now in 5th grade, which we're doing this exact thing. And this was actually just done by me, but it is pretty similar to what we have on the wall in the classroom so that the kids can reference back to this and look at how to, add and subtract mixed numbers and fractions. So I think that, these kinds of things, I don't remember really having these kinds of things when I was in school. I remember more so like having, our work displayed and stuff, but not really like these steps. And I really like these steps because myself now, it helps me understand more how to add and subtract fractions a lot more now, right? So I think that was pretty cool that it had that. I also, 3 takeaways is, like I said, for me, it was the fact that it helps me go step by step, and I think it helps the kids as well. When you have these, they're almost like references, right? That you can look back at and take a peek at and be like, oh, that's right, okay. So I think it's pretty cool. So that's, my first takeaway. My second takeaway is that these kinds of things weren't done back in the days. So I think that these really help, like I said. And then my third major takeaway is what the impact that it has on the instruction. The fact that, like I said, kids can go back and reference these things, and the fact that, it makes it really relevant nowadays. And the fact that you could use these also to connect, kids' culture and all that stuff, just like from the article that we read. It talks about being socially aware of, like the kids, the different cultures that they come from, the different backgrounds that they come from, and how important that is, right, for kids to have that culturally responsive pedagogy. So I think that was pretty cool. And then 2 questions. What do you think makes a great anchor chart? Okay. Excuse me. And are you going to use anchor charts in your classroom? All right, guys. Thanks for listening to me. I'll probably see you next week. Take care.